For over a decade, working with Python tools felt like managing a delicate tower of building blocks. You would install pyenv just to get the right Python version. Then you needed virtualenv or Python venv to create an isolated environment. Next came pip to install libraries, pip tools to pin exact dependencies, pips to run standalone CLI tools, and maybe poetry or hatch to package everything up into a clean project structure. Each tool solved one slice of the puzzle, but together they created a fragmented, slow, and fragile setup. Virtual environments broke silently when system Python updated. Dependency resolution could hang for minutes on complex packages. Every new machine meant reinstalling half a dozen CLI tools just to get your basic workspace running. Then came UV. Built by Astral, the team behind the blazing fast linter rough, UV set out to replace almost every tool in that stack with a single ultra-fast binary written in Rust. Understand why UV has changed Python development so dramatically. Look at performance. Traditional package managers written in Python spend a surprising amount of time parsing text files, analyzing dependency trees, downloading wheels, and unpacking archives on disk. UV re-implements these hot loops in Rust. Its dependency resolver uses pubgrub under the hood, modified to handle Python version constraints with extreme efficiency. The speed difference is not marginal. In standard package installation benchmarks, UV is 10 to 100 times faster than pip. Cold installations that used to take nearly a minute drop down to a few seconds. Warm cache installations where packages are already present on your machine happen almost instantly, often in milliseconds. The underlying trick behind warm installs is UV's global content address cache. When you install a package, UV caches it globally on your system and uses hard links or copy-on-write file systems whenever possible. Instead of duplicating hundreds of megabytes of identical wheel files across every single virtual environment on your computer, UV reuses existing files instantly without wasting disk space. Beyond raw speed, UV redefines how Python developers handle environments and versions. Previously, installing a specific Python release on a system like Mac OS or Linux without admin rights was surprisingly annoying. With UV, you do not need pyenv or manual build steps. Running a simple command allows UV to fetch, unpack, and configure official CPython binaries in seconds. You can pin a directory to a specific Python version using a simple configuration file, and UV handles fetching that version on demand. Project management with UV follows the modern universal lockfile design popularized by tools like Cargo in Rust or pnpm in JavaScript. Running the initialization command sets up a standardized project layout. Adding a dependency resolves the package tree, updates the universal lockfile, builds the local virtual environment, and installs the library, all in one seamless operation. Workspaces are also natively supported. For large monorepos containing multiple packages or microservices, UV can resolve dependencies across the entire codebase simultaneously, ensuring all subprojects stay consistent without manual dependency tracking. For single-file scripts, UV solves the long-standing problem of script reproducibility. Instead of maintaining a separate requirements text file alongside a 30-line Python script, UV lets you declare inline dependency metadata directly inside the script header. When you execute that script using UV, it reads the embedded metadata, builds a temporary isolated environment on the fly, executes the script, and cleans up after itself. You can hand that single script file to anyone on Mac OS, Linux, or Windows, and it will run reliably as long as they have UV installed. Running CLI utilities like Rough, Black, or Pykause is handled similarly to pips. You can run any published Python tool inside an ephemeral environment without installing it permanently on your system. If you prefer to keep a tool around, installing it places a single isolated binary into your system path. Crucially, Astral understood that developers cannot rewrite their deployment pipelines overnight. To ease adoption, UV ships with a drop-in pip-compatible interface. Existing workflows using requirements files, pip compile, or pip sync work as expected without altering a line of CI/CD configuration. Replacing pip with UV in a GitHub action or Docker file immediately slashes build times without breaking existing package resolution logic. To the hood, UV is completely self-contained. It requires neither Rust nor Python pre-installed on the host system. It can be installed with a single shell curl script on Mac OS and Linux or a PowerShell command on Windows. Once installed, it manages its own updates via a built-in update command. By consolidating Python version management, package resolution, script execution, virtual environments, and workspace builds into a single Rust binary, UV eliminates the friction that plagued Python development for years. It turns minutes of idle waiting during CI/CD builds or environment creation into near-instantaneous tasks, establishing a unified standard for modern Python tooling.